Introducing the HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headset. Experience lightweight comfort, superior sound quality, and added convenience with this incredible headset. Weighing just 275 grams, it fits snugly on your head, and the 90-degree rotating ear cups ensure a perfect fit. The 50mm directional drivers deliver precise audio for an immersive gaming experience. Plus, the HyperX signature memory foam provides maximum comfort during those marathon gaming sessions. The adjustable steel slider adds to the headset's durability, and the intuitive volume control on the ear cup allows for easy adjustments. The swivel-to-mute noise cancellation microphone ensures crystal clear voice quality, and you can mute it by simply flipping it vertically. Enjoy multi-platform compatibility with PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and more. Please refer to the user guide for technical specifications before use. Note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Compatibility is essential, so please check before purchasing. Get your hands on the HyperX Cloud Stinger gaming headset and elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Order now at the short link https://amzn.to/48bdri. Disclaimer. Amazon.com offers a voluntary 30-day return guarantee for your peace of mind. Please check the exceptions and conditions on their website.